You've seen them on the highway, long, shiny tankers hauling thousands of gallons of fuel. They look steady, powerful, unstoppable. But here's the scary truth. Fuel tankers are some of the most dangerous trucks on the road. Why? Because if one tips over, it's not just a traffic accident. It's a rolling fire hazard carrying enough fuel to turn an entire highway into an inferno. Let's break it down. At first glance, a tanker truck looks like a giant steel cylinder on wheels, but the design is actually far more complicated. The tank, typically made of aluminum or stainless steel, shaped like a cylinder with rounded ends. Why? Because round tanks handle pressure and impacts better than box-shaped containers. Compartments. Most fuel tankers are divided into 3 to 6 sections by internal bulkheads. This allows them to carry different grades of fuel in one trip: regular, premium, diesel, and it reduces the sloshing effect of liquid fuel moving around. Capacity. A fully loaded highway tanker can carry up to 11,000 gallons, over 40,000 liters of flammable liquid. That's the equivalent of hundreds of cars' fuel tanks in one vehicle. But here's the catch. Even with compartments, liquid fuel is never perfectly still, and that movement is the beginning of the problem. Compared to box trailers full of pallets, fuel tankers behave completely differently. 1. The sloshing effect. When the driver brakes or takes a turn, the liquid inside keeps moving. Even with compartments, thousands of liters surge forward, sideways, or back. This shifts the truck's center of gravity, making it feel unstable. 2. High center of gravity. The cylindrical tank sits higher off the ground than a flat trailer. That means the center of gravity is higher, making it easier for the truck to tip when cornering or swerving. 3. Dynamic weight shift. A fully loaded tanker weighs around 80,000 pounds, but the way the weight moves is different from solid cargo. A sudden maneuver can create a pendulum effect that pulls the truck off balance. 4. Braking risks. Hit the brakes too hard and the liquid surges forward, slamming into the bulkheads. The truck's weight suddenly shifts, and the rear end may swing out, leading to a rollover. That's why tanker drivers undergo special training, because unlike a box trailer, a fuel tanker can flip over in situations where other trucks would stay upright. Now, imagine the worst-case scenario. A tanker enters a freeway ramp too fast, swerves to avoid a car, or brakes hard on a steep downhill. The liquid surges, the tires lift, and suddenly the whole truck rolls. Here's what happens next. 1. The tank strikes the ground. Even though tanks are strong, the impact can tear fittings, rupture valves, or even crack the tank itself. 2. Fuel starts leaking. Once compromised, fuel begins spilling. Depending on the rupture, it could be a slow leak, or a catastrophic gusher pouring thousands of gallons onto the road. 3. Fumes fill the air. Gasoline vapors are heavier than air, meaning they spread across the ground, invisible and deadly. One spark from friction, a nearby engine, or even static electricity can ignite it. 4. Fire or explosion risk. Contrary to Hollywood, tankers don't always explode instantly. More often, fuel leaks and catches fire, turning the entire crash site into an uncontrollable blaze. But under the right conditions, especially if vapors ignite in a confined area, you can get a full fireball explosion. 5. Environmental disaster. Even without fire, thousands of gallons of fuel seeping into soil or water supplies can cause massive environmental damage. Cleanup crews may take days to contain and neutralize the spill. Sadly, tanker rollovers are not just theory. In 2010 in Pennsylvania, a tanker rolled on an interstate exit ramp, spilling 8,000 gallons of gasoline. The crash caused massive fires, destroyed a bridge, and shut down the highway for weeks. In Nigeria and other parts of Africa, overloaded or poorly maintained tankers often roll and spill fuel. Locals sometimes rush in to collect leaking fuel, with tragic consequences when it ignites. In Spain, 2016, a tanker rollover caused a huge fire that killed several motorists trapped in nearby cars. Every incident shows just how dangerous a single mistake with a fuel tanker can be. To reduce these risks, tanker trucks are built with advanced safety features. Internal baffles. Metal barriers in side compartments slow the surge of liquid. Emergency shutoff valves. Automatically close if fittings are damaged. Rollover protection systems. Reinforced manholes and domes help prevent ruptures when the tanker tips. Anti-lock braking systems, ABS. Reduce the chance of skids that lead to rollovers. Stability control systems. Electronic sensors detect when the truck is about to tip and automatically reduce power or apply brakes to stabilize it. But even with technology, it often comes down to the driver. Tanker operators get some of the most rigorous training in the trucking industry. They're taught to take corners slower than other trucks, to brake in stages, not all at once, to always anticipate liquid movement, especially when the tanker isn't completely full. Partially filled tanks create the most dangerous surge effect. To leave huge stopping distances. One mistake, one miscalculated curve or panic stop can turn routine hauling into disaster. So what happens if a fuel tanker truck rolls over? It's not just a crash, it's a chain reaction of danger. Unstable liquid surge, rollover impact, ruptures, leaks, vapor clouds, and a constant threat of fire or explosion. That's why fuel tanker drivers are among the most carefully trained professionals on the road. Every time they roll through traffic, they're carrying a load that demands absolute precision and respect. So the next time you pass a tanker on the highway, remember, inside that silver cylinder is enough fuel to power hundreds of cars, or, in the wrong circumstances, enough to turn the road into chaos. And if you found this breakdown eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what surprised you most about what happens when a fuel tanker rolls over.